So everyone know that coronavirus is right now getting low, and everyone just try to relax because its affected number is very low day by day. As you know, in Bangladesh yesterday was almost 80 people are dead by deadly coronavirus, but before that every day 200 people and more than people are dead in because of deadly coronavirus. But right now it's just down day by day. But we are not relaxed because of it, because this is not end, and that means when coronavirus is just getting zero death, then we are relaxed that we are free from coronavirus. But right now we are not free from this dangerous situation is not going. So you can easily understand that this situation can be back again at any time, and then death rate will be again rising. So this is not good for us. So we must take care of ourselves and always wearing mask, and the most important thing is just taking vaccine. Without vaccination program, people are in danger. So we all need to take vaccine and try to save yourself and your family. It's not only for yourself, it's for your country and everything. So please take vaccine and take proper action against coronavirus. We want zero tolerance and zero death in coronavirus. So it's not only for my country, it's for all country all over the world. You know that Brazil and another countries are death rate so high. I don't know why, and actually why this death rate is so high. Maybe they are not taking vaccine, or maybe these people are not aware of this. So I want everyone, please just take proper action against this deadly coronavirus. Take safety and be safe, always wearing mask, and try to use sanitizer or washing your hand by detergent or other soap. That will help you to kill this germ. So this situation is not just end, and I hope this death rate is getting down, and one day we just found there is 0 death in the whole world by coronavirus. Then we are relaxed and free from this. So everyone, be safe and take care of yourself and stay with you. Thank you very much.